Switching tracks now, fresh poll violence has been reported in Bihar. One person has died and two people are critically injured. These are RJD and BJP workers that have clashed in Saran of Bihar. So clashes have been reported on the day of polling, and clashes as far as Saran is concerned, in which that has resulted in the death of one person and two people have been critically injured. We have Prabhakar joining us. Prabhakar, what details do you have for us?
Yeah, this incident has happened in Saran, that is Chhapra. There is a place called Bhikhari Thakur roundabout. Yesterday, Rohini Acharya, who was fighting on the RJD ticket, she went to one of the polling stations there and she was chased away by the BJP supporters. In follow-up of that, today morning, the BJP and the RJD workers, they clashed among themselves and there was an incident of firing. One person has died and two persons, they have sustained bullet injuries. They are critically injured. They have been rushed to Patna Medical College Hospital. So remember, it's a post-poll violence. It's a result of a clash between the RJD supporters and the BJP supporters. And even yesterday, during on the polling day, there were three incidents of clashes between the RJD and the BJP workers at three different places. But today, it has further aggravated after the death of one person and two persons have been injured. And remember, this has been one of the most important battles, one of the most difficult battles, I would say, the Battle of Saran, where Lalu Prasad Yadav's daughter Meesa Bharti or Rohini Acharya, is making a political debut. She is pitched against Rajiv Pratap Rudy, happens to be a former union minister and a very senior BJP leader. So it was a battle which Lalu family is fighting with all the might at their disposal, and it has resulted into violence not only on the polling day but even after the polling day, the post-poll violence. Yeah.
Right, so violence that is being reported the day after polling as well, and like Prabhakar was reporting that RJD's Rohini Acharya allegedly was chased by BJP workers, so tension continues as far as Bihar's Saran is concerned. So it is Rohini Acharya taking on Rajiv Pratap Rudy as far as that seat, that hot seat of Saran is concerned, but violence continues as far as Saran is concerned. This is a day after polling as well.